big. That is absolutely massive. Just lost my shoes. This is coming straight over the wall onto the main road. That is absolutely unbelievable. Here it comes again. Pouring over the wall. You can see a car making a run for it out there. I am completely stranded now between the wall and the road. I'm just standing, you might be able to see, on this tiny bit of dry land by this tree now. You can just see it just going right down the road there. See a couple of guys in the corner there as well. This shop's completely smashed up. It's a surf shop, completely smashed up. See, unbelievable. Now it's just retracting down again. See that? Took a bit of a tumble there.